Happy Easter, guys. How are you? How are you doing? Good morning, good evening. Uh, Guys, I have a question. Do you know the marble sheet? And do you know how marble sheet works? I know most of you knows it because nowadays you see them, people use them when doing the TV units or the media walls. So if you see that a very large sheet like this one, so that's what we call the bubble sheet. So I want to show you how it can be used instead of the walls. Nowadays, you can use it in the kitchen instead of using the normal tiles, because it's a bit cheaper compared to when you are using you're using tiles. But a disclaimer: it cannot be used on the floor, only on the walls. You can use it on the walls. You can also use it on the roof, on the ceiling, depending on what you want to make. You can also use it on a countertop, as a countertop, depending what you want to make. But there's definitely ways on how to do it. So I want to take you through. We were doing a house, not a house, but recently we were doing a showroom where we were to make it, beautify it, to make it presentable. So we installed it on the wall to bring the aesthetic of the room, and also to make it look more nicer and more appealing. So let me take you through as I show you on ways on how to install it and what to use on it. Otherwise, thank you. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and also share, like, and give me your comment and your thoughts down below. I go by the name Ken Ochilo. Welcome to today's vlog. Welcome back, guys, and this is the studio or the showroom that we want to make more beautiful. As you can see, it looks a bit boring. It also looks casual. So this is the reason why we are here, and this is the reason why we want to work on this, to make sure that it looks more presentable and more, at least, attractive to anyone else. Even if you put your items there, then they can attract people. So let's start, and also let's begin. So first of all, we have to make sure that the wall is smooth. The wall has no anything protruded, like screw, any dent, so that when we place the marble sheet, then it will be smooth. Because remember, after doing the marble sheet, there are a lot of things that will be attached to it when they are doing the display. So we don't want such to make it, because to make it a crack. So the whole wall has to be flush. They all have to be smooth to make sure that the marble sheet is well protected. So let's begin on the preparations of this. So on your screen is Peter. Peter is one of my guys. We worked with him very many years, and you've seen him in most of my videos, but only that is camera shy. You see, he's having the coffee. He doesn't want to get into contact directly with the camera, and that's why you see like that. But he's a good guy. We worked with him in several projects, and you've seen him in most cases. He's my carpenter guy. Let's start with this one. This is the connector. The connector is what will connect the two marble sheet, the two boards. So when you have the long one, you have on both sides, you put this to make sure that there's none of them which will overlap on the other, or one will be above the other one. So that's the work of the connector. We have two types of connector. We have this one, the middle connector, and also we have the end connector, where you put at the end edge of the marble sheet. So that one I've not shown you here, but we have them. If you go to the shop, you will get them. So how do we start installing and what we use to install this kind of the marble sheets. We have different types of accessories or the glues that we can use to do installation when dealing with the marble sheet. We have the silicone, the normal silicone. We have the montage glue. You can use that. You can as well use the Mr. Fix. If you know the Mr. Fix, you can also well use Mr. Fix. But the most importantly, which is recommended, which I will recommend to you, is use the universal contact glue, like the one you see there. The reason why I prefer the universal contact glue is because it works faster, and also it's cheaper compared to the other glues, and also it will only take like less than a minute and it stick, so you can apply. Though it's very sticky, you can see in my hands, just if you touch it directly, it is sticky, but it's easy to remove. You can only apply the white spirit and also the turpentine, if you have, will remove the stain very easily. And also, even if it falls on the ground, falls on the table, just use the turpentine or the white spirit, then it will remove it very easy. So you just apply the contact glue on top of the marble sheet. We have the right side and the wrong side. So the rough side is where you apply that, and also you apply it on the wall, on the surface where you are going to place it. You just give it like maybe less than 1 minute, then you just stick it and just do a bit of pressing to make sure that it attaches everywhere. It goes there smooth, then it will attach, and you are done with that. As you can see the change of this room. It looks a bit attractive, not like before, because of the marble sheet. The marble sheet comes with two types. We have the matte, and also we have the gloss. Like the one we are using here is the gloss. So the gloss is what is mostly available in any shop or any hardware. You will find the gloss, and also they come in different colors, and also in different textures, and also in different decorations and designs. So you can just go and maybe check on what you want and select what attracts you most. They are 8x4 or 4x8 if you like, in sizes, but they also can come in different, the longer ones, the bigger one we have. So it will depend what you want, and where you want to do it. In thickness, in terms of thickness, they come in 3mm, meaning they are very fragile. So when transporting, you have to be very careful, because they can break, and when it breaks, you will make sure that you have to go back to the shop to buy a new one. So just to make sure that when doing the transportation, you are very, very much careful with that. The way you protect the glasses when transporting them is what you need to apply on the marble sheets when you are transporting them. You can find them anywhere, even in Kikomba, in industrial area, or in most of the hardware close to your area. You will find them, and the prices ranges between 3,000 to 4,500. So it will depend where you are buying them, and also it depends the type you are buying, and also the availability of what you are buying them. So just go and check it out if you are impressed with this. So where can you apply this? The marble sheet can be applied in these areas which I'm going to mention bit by bit. Option 1, you can apply it, and it's commonly used in media walls or in the TV units, if you like. You've seen the TV unit, you'll find where you place the TV, there is that big sheet in different color. That's the marble sheet, and mostly people use it there. But again, you can also use it on in your kitchen as on the wall of the kitchen, because they are cheaper compared to the wall granites or maybe wall tiles. They are cheaper compared to that, and also they are affordable affordable in terms of labor. When you compare the labor of the tiles, the charges of the labor of the tiles, and also when you are doing this. Again, it doesn't require many people or a number of manpower. It will only require one person or two to do installation, and it will take a shorter time when doing this kind of installation. Another area where you can apply this, you can also apply it in your washroom or the toilet, but make sure you don't put it on the floor. You can apply it on the walls of the toilet and also on your washrooms, as well as even in the normal rooms. You can also apply them depending the theme of the house, and also depending the design that you want to use. You can also use them on the ceiling. Also, it will depend with the design, and also it will depend with the colors that you want to use there. We are working on a project. I want to show you how it looks like. So it's just we were doing a setup of a display for a showroom. You can see it. Yeah, so we've been working here for almost 5 days, I think so. Yeah, and it's pretty cool what we have done. I want to show you what we have done. We have the walls you've seen are we have done it using the marble sheets, and let me show you around so that you can know what is happening. I've really worked more than expected today. I'm profusely sweating and I'm very dusty. So these are all that I was doing cleaning, and because we are finalizing one-to-one over. So it looks nice. You can see it. So I'm going to explain it in a bit on how it looks like and what is going to be placed here. Let's see it, how it looks like. So guys, this is the final look of this showroom. You can tell me what you think. You can just write to me what you think in the comment there. Does it look beautiful? Does it look more aesthetic, or does it look boring? But to me, I think it looks nice, being that this is a showroom. It looks nice to make the room looks more bigger and more wider, even though the room itself is so tight and so narrow. Apart from that, these guys are really selling very good items here. You can see the toilet seats, you can see the basins, the hand wash basins, and also they have the sinks, they have the taps, they have a lot of things. The soap dish they have the towel handles, and a lot of things. You can see this new arrival toilet seats at very affordable prices. So you can see that grayish one, and also see the white one. It's very decorated with a lot of flowers. It's very beautiful. It's very cheap. And remember, if you go to the shop and mention my name, they will give you a very good discount. And also you can just call me, then I connect you there. You will get a very good discount. So this is hand wash basin. So instead of you having the hand wash basin, then you put the pedestal on beneath it. This one comes as a unit. It looks more durable, it looks more beautiful, it looks more presentable. You can place it in your dining table, around your dining area, even the corridors, but people will love it. Look at that black toilet seat. So they have numerous design, numerous number of them. You can come and argue your make your argument out. They will hear you, then give you a very affordable discount. And the most important thing, that I will place their contact there below, and also I will share. If you talk to me, you call me, I will share with them, then they will give you a discount. Or maybe you can just go to the shop and also just mention my name, then they will give you a good discount there. The shop is located in Kitengela. If you're along Kitengela, then near Enkari, just opposite the quarry, you will find this shop. There is written Ujenzi. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.